Hey, what's up guys, it's Dom from Hole Printing Inc. In today's quick video, I'm going to share with you guys how to actually go ahead and change one of these injectors. Now, we have one injector right here that, it's pretty twisted. So we're going to try and actually cut it off and install a new injector. So it's the first time I do this. It looks pretty straightforward, so we'll try and go ahead and actually change this. So from what I understand, I need to cut it right over where the tube is actually twisted. So for me it would be like right here. So I'm going to take a pair of scissors, try to cut it as straight as I can, and reinsert it after. And we'll see if we can just pop this new one inside. Alright, so here goes nothing. We're going to cut it and we're going to see what happens. So I am filming this alone. Do apologize for the angle. Alright, so it looks pretty straightforward. We just put it back in. We did cut it. Now we're going to take a syringe and we're going to see what happens when we try to suction some ink. Make sure it's properly inserted just by pushing down. So as I can see on the old injector, we're going a bit over the actual stopper. So I'm going to force this tube a bit more deep and we're going to see if that helps. Alright guys, so we did get it. It took a bit of trials and tribulations, but the main takeaway is that you want to make sure that the tube is like right at the stopper, the final one. So this is how it was before. Sorry for the focus. As you can see, the tube is like right next to the oval part right here at the bottom. The focus is really bad. I'm going to try to get a new camera soon. But as you can see, the tube of the ink, so this tube right here that's going inside of the injector, you want to make sure that it's like as close as the last stopper as possible. So we went ahead and did our best to shove it as deep as we could, and the suction looks good. So we're going to do some trials and I'll report back to you guys. But if you found this video somewhat helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. This was Dom from Hole Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.